In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for copywriting. This is a quick way to generate marketing text for websites, ads, emails, or social media. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with copywriting. For example, I might type, "Write marketing copy for a new online language learning app." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate copywriting content, which may include a headline, promotional message, and a call to action. If I want more targeted results, I can add more details to the prompt, such as the target audience, tone, or platform. For example, I might type, "Write persuasive website copy for a language learning app aimed at beginners." I can also ask Claude to create multiple variations of the copy so I can choose the one I like best. Once the copy looks good, I can copy the text and use it in my marketing materials. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for copywriting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.